and welcome to my basement. So understand, this is a complete gut job. The basement was moldy, old, it was 3 rooms, and it was moldy. And I'm gonna say it again, moldy, because this is a basement. So there were some things that I had to fix internally, things that you didn't see. And then I decided, okay, what's next? So I decided to fix it and create zones. So follow me. So here I like to have a place where we could sit down and eat. So I got this nice little countertop where I could have people sit down, eat, also watch TV, right? Oh, and before I go any further, aren't these stairs gorgeous? I mean, they were old crusty stairs, and these were the stairs that I had specifically made for this place. So I'm excited about it. We have a fridge, freezer, and we have a wash or slop sink, but we also have a washer dryer, which is, everybody needs it. So I got it for here. I got a comfy couch, but before I even go to this side, let me talk to you about my bathroom. My bathroom was a closet, cubicle, worse than that. It was really small. So I wanted a spa bathroom and a spa feel. So as you can see, this bathroom, I have rocks, so it could create that spa feel. I like texture, so I have this, so when you touch it, it's got that nice little bubbly feel, like leather, even though it's not, it's actually stone. I like the gray and the brown to ground the cool colors and the warm colors mixed together. I threw a little glam in here with a nice little mirror and this nice little cabinetry. But here's my favorite part. I could turn on this light, and it also has a defogger. So when you take a shower, this doesn't fog up. But the piece de resistance, and I'm gonna step in here now, is the shower. I wanted a big shower. So this does misting. I could actually mist myself, but it also has a shower component. And then I have a waterfall. So that it's like I get all types of bathing, cleaning, and all that good stuff. Another thing that I like is I continue the rock situation into the shower. And I also added a teak bench so that if I take a shower, I can sit down, wash up, stand back up. And then I have a drain that's not a regular drain system, but the water can flow in. One of the key factors is because this area is a little small, I wanted to create some symmetry and some height to it, and some space. So I have this toilet bowl, but it's not a standard. It's actually built into this wall. So that's the fun part of this bathroom. Now, I know this is a monstrosity, but I love it. It's my steamer. I like to come down here sometimes and steam myself so I could feel good and warm and I could run right into my spa shower. So it's like a little mini spa day, if you will. And then walking into this is a nice little living area. Now, I had game night down here, so it was really fantastic. People were able to sit everywhere, watch TV. We played music on the television, and we moved things around so that they can enjoy themselves. One of the things that I love is this floor. This floor is really giving that coastal feel, that sense of movement. The colors, because I told you I like dark colors, moody colors sometimes, but this didn't call for it because I wanted this basement to feel light, bright, airy, and so I got this coastal luxe kind of feel. But here's my favorite part. A swing. I told you I want to add a bit of drama and something unexpected to every space that I'm in. So I have these swings installed with a steel bar so my guests can come, enjoy, they can sit wherever they want, and if they want to swing, they can swing. Another piece that I've created that I love, and I like doing lots of mixed furniture, mixed pieces. I've got, for this coastal feel, I got this nice little magazine, or it's for a magazine, but I don't use it for magazine. I use it for pillows and blankets. I got a nice little lantern just to make me feel like I have that coastal vibe. A navy blue rug to give it that nice feel that still I'm in that coastal element. This is a good piece that I have. I could put a lot of my little knickknacks in here. I love it. And then we can walk right here into this little mini eating area. This mini eating area is phenomenal because I got the nice little luxe little gray chairs. I got this little farmhouse table. We could sit down. I still got that wrought iron clock so that I could feel it ties into the whole space and the whole feel. And it really tells a story of me. And then I have a place that is my office, and I love it. So this room used to be a bedroom, but I had built-ins put in for all of my books. Now I'm a screenwriter, playwright, filmmaker, you know the whole story. So I got pieces, a little bit of vintage, a little bit of new. I'm all about that. And here's my blue again. I love blue. So this blue really keeps me up. It's vibrant. It's cool. It's calming. But then I have my artwork right here. And if I want to sit, I sit in my yellow chair, which gives it a pop of color that I always wanted. One more thing I want to point out is this rug. Now, I told you I'm not afraid of color. While this room is white, all the pieces are not. I've got yellow chairs, I've got blue accent wall, I've got gold pieces all around, and the most important part of it are my books and a TV. I think I love everything about this room. This room is quintessential me. And if you want to come with me and work with JPL Creative Design Solutions, I'll do the same for you in terms of giving you you.